darkness, when those toxic thoughts creep in and you feel low, even depressed, remember, you are the creator in every single moment. You are, only you are. And we often forget this. So let me remind you today. You are always the creator of your reality and your life. Yeah, where you live in. We are not victims. We're not. We are always creators of our reality. So stop making yourself the victim. Stop also blaming others. You are not the victim of your circumstances. You create them. Yeah? So really go and ask yourself, what did I create here? What can I learn? What do I have to look at here? Yeah? What limiting belief or bullshit story do I need to break right now? Right now. Be radically honest with yourself to get out of it and to not create or attract the same thing again. If it doesn't serve you anymore, if you're not happy with it anymore. So, yes, I know sometimes this process is painful. It can feel like a death because it is an internal death. We are letting the parts of us that no longer serve us die. Yeah? And with each death, we are reborn again. Yeah? Getting closer to our true soul, our core. Here. It's normal for it to hurt. But remember, it also gets easier. The more you do it, the lighter and freer you will feel, and the further you come. And that's why we do this work. That's why I'm so passionate about this work. Yeah, that's why we all do it, for that freedom, for that inner freedom. And then of course it comes in the outside as well. Yeah, so set your soul free. Set your soul on fire, your heart on fire. Only do these things and remember, you're the creator of everything. Everything. And any luck which is showing up in your life, it's just showing you what you don't want anymore, right? So just stop tolerating it and change it. Change it, please. Stop complaining, change it. And create the abundance you want in your own life. Only you can do it. So recognize that also all the abundance you already have in your life, and focus on the abundance you wish to bring in. Yeah? And also thank the luck which is there right now and you can feel and see for the lesson. But make a decision now, today, right now, to get the abundance in. And if you need any support or guidance on this beautiful journey, inner journey, I'm here for you. So feel free to reach out.